let me let you in on a secret. We've been talking about this restoration collaboration for just a little bit now. And I really want to launch it out to you because as a practitioner, if your time is worth a lot, as it should be, and you just need something that's a little more turnkey, well, take a look at this. My team and I have been working on this in the background for probably 6-9 months now. We have 3 different programs that we're going to invite you to join this collaboration, in which you get access to these 3 programs. And they're not just any 3 programs. These are 3 programs that have niches that are unclaimed. This isn't a thyroid, this isn't hormones, those are claimed. People have stamped their mark on those niches. 3 things: 1, whole body healing program; 2, a mold detox; and 3, a brain rejuvenation program. Now, here's the coolest part. Behind me is this really fancy machine that will actually take a protocol, which we have created for you, and spit out all of the capsules in that protocol in these little nifty packets. And better yet, these packets are going to come inside a box like this, to where your patients, yes, those people that have no brains or are struggling with their brains, all they have to do is roll it out, grab the packet, consume it. Roll it out, grab the packet, consume it. And it is designed per protocol. Now, my team and I, specifically Mike Reese and I, have created these 3 protocols, and we've been using them with our clients for the last few months. Now, we want you to be able to use them for your clients and new clients. They'll be available in January. Now, here's the key. We've got to have your funnels done and ready to roll come January. So join the Restoration Collaboration at the founding members rate of $25,000, because it's going to jump next month in November. So if you've been thinking about it and you are tired of dreaming big and you want to actually do big in 2024, this is your ticket. Now, I feel like I'm giving it away at $25,000 because I know what these things can do, and your ability to sell them is limitless. Whether you're a solopreneur or you have a small team, you can take these and bring them to the masses because they're needed, and they're not trading your time out for money. So that said, we've done the work. We've created the programs for you to sell. All you have to do is come into the collaboration, and then over the next 2 months in November and December, we're going to help you create those funnels. So when January hits prime time, well, it's going to be your biggest year yet. And it's going to help you free up your time, which is important. So go to bloodworkspecialist.com/collaboration, schedule a consult with me by clicking the button there, and let's chat. Is this right for you? And remember, October 31st is the deadline to become a founding member, and you're gonna want this because we're just getting started, and so are you. Chat soon.